Have to grow your food anymore. It grows it for you. It grows it better than you could ever imagine. Ever imagine. With no synthetic fertilizers, and they come out perfect all the time. Torpedopot grows your food like you've never seen before. We've already got 140 eggplants to prove it. All you have to do is put your seeds in or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front.
Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing concept called Torpedopot. Well, we make self-growing planters that have built-in irrigation systems that grow your food for you. All you do with the planter is put your seeds inside the planter, put your plants in the planter, turn that knob, plug up a little hose in the back, and you'll have food for the rest of your life.
This pot has been designed to grow fungus. The reason why we chose to go with the fungal process because we realized a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants, and what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up, but the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with Torpedopot. Going back to that genetic inheritance that's in that plant is what Torpedopot does. Torpedopot allows your plant to reconnect with the soil. And the true colors and flavors and everything you want starts to come out. Torpedopot grows your food like no other system in the world. Trust Torpedopot. They'll get you. We manufacture self-growing plants that grow your food for you with no human intervention. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com, where we're growing eggplants. And man, these flowers are a lot, boy. I'm so glad to see them grow and to take off. It's so beautiful. Man, guys, look at my eggplant field. Isn't that amazing? I don't even know where to start at. Look at all this purple in here. These are eggplants. And I'm not sure when I want to pick them. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all that purple in there. If I were to count all these eggplants in this planter, I don't know how many it would be, but it's quite a bit. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. We have these planters grow your eggplants with no human intervention. All you do is set it and forget it. Look at this.
About 10 planters. We predictably grow 150 eggplants almost every year, guaranteed. How's that possible? Because Torpedopot takes the guesswork out of gardening. All of the overwatering and the underwatering and getting the right fertilizers and getting the right growing containers and tilling, all of that has been reduced to a science. Now we have an advanced irrigation system that's built into a Torpedopot that grows your food for you.